Well guys, kamala mngile manje ndiphethe i-artist apha namhlanje. Khawuthonda ukuthi ngobani guys? Siqala ngawo ta.
Empire lona, Empire Music SA, bamazi ngolunga ke apha eWestville. I'm also an artist, hip hop artist, Afro pop artist. Yeah.
Lona nguFezile Faltini aka I First Nigga First, otherwise the artist yalapha in South Radio Frequency.
Okay, but ngutuma Zilimbola lo goes by the name of Sick Crazy. I'm crazy, we're crazy, we're crazy. Let's go crazy. I'm the member of East South Radio, so Siyamba song born. We are releasing things as born. Yeah, but man.
AKM Nata mna ngochapelo mna zo rapping theater. Msupha kokati abendiza yabo. Yeah ngatsho banami play South Radio Frequency. Sibona selapha nje.
Okay, mna ndinguthoba. Yeah, uthoba kwaMkhenkcele number 9. Yeah, ngumculi wesigagam. Yeah, mina ndizimixa zonke. Afro pop ndiyayibetha yonke. Yabo, Xhosa wave. Sigagam.
Okay, tazi ya ndiyabona tazi ya. Niqale njani wena? Artist name niqale njani? Beni-group okanye nize one by one? Okay,
le weyo Nata ungathi bayeqale njani? Singamajita mhlawumbe sibayi-4 awekho la kula majita ayi-4 sadecide about masifomishe ilo i-group which was called i-South Radio Frequency ole yiyo namhlanje but ngenxa yale nto yobana amajita ayasipana abanye babhizi ezinye izinto so like khange sikwazi mhlawumbe like siqhube futhi sonke but basekhona nabo. So mna ngoku I-stepped up mna yabona qoma no man ndiyivuse again because yinto ebiyenziwa lapha eKasi le so ngaphinda ndayivusa mna yayiyo uyibona le and ngoku semizi okuzayo ibhuti sencinci le.
Tam ngathanda uzonenzela le one yabo koyi-1 makasebenzele line iline yoke.
Yo, check it, I First. Man, I've been break through these head signs. Tell me this is no lies. Music running through my mind like it's the news headlines. No jokes, big hopes. This could be your deadline. Ain't got no time for sickness like a baby puke and throw you out. Ain't no time for weakness. Gotta keep it real and stronger now. Some niggas keep on faking till they going out the line. When the streets was tied up, man, they got me wise up. Now my money's open over everything. I fill it up with love in this music adoption. They got me caught up in this like you'll get my time up.
That's right. Like that.
Mayambe ngebhantshi akho muntu usitywayo. Lokizawuthi su.
Yeah. The lines here.
I'm gonna just freestyle one of my verses, yeah. But in maybe all white trip, yeah, aim shop kwa no empire vulisekile mani tanisa 10 million funda bundive uzala undize and funda bundive uzadotike please can share yeah flavor yaseKasi every corner so zingatholakala bangene endaweni ethi ufikile yeah kube manza sa rapina kakhulu but kuthiwa yeah ndihas ingathi niphethe speak rap sam yeah sibange ras unganibiza umbulali ngoba beat ndiyayicisha
It's about
Yeah, freestyle. THUGs. I'm gonna lift you up and take all those G's. Buy you more jeans. You better tell me who you choose.
Azetsande namna nje bathi pen game hard ngomqino I'm an underdog insibicingo ndinomsilo ndolimpilo ntwana sithoka sanga ngomginyo nathi sibango xa ndibona ndibhab vele uboyazi ndiphume impiko.
Yo, okay, phela nathi sizinkinga chin lesithingi siyanisina. Kade sihleli nabo Simba chin kwangena imali ngabashiya. Mama lingishayela ikholi dog nale phone iyacima. Yeah, I'm wet. 3 months, yeah, umkhenkce iphume fridge, yeah, okutsemba from a VG. Nami ufuna uvele TV, yeah. Dala nibuzise nabantu cause bad bitch isinayi. Hey, hot man, man. Bon.
More like kisha I power from bam. Power down. Ke I sabo ke le tla ipunu ni followers abani ba ma page social medias.
Okay. Okay, xa ufuna usifumana thina usifumana kwi-South Radio Frequency kuzo zonke ii-platforms uyasifumana, then ngoku iphinde ibe khona umntu umfumana individual, which means umna kufacebook mthapelo Spearman, then kuzo zonke ii-platforms bengu-Rapping T umna.
Okay, wena Afroman.
Okay, ebetshela ubhuti bakhe ungasifumana kuzo zonke i-socials. Mna individual ni see your boy see crazy, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere man bona siyafumaneka khona.
Okay.
Yeah, true as babe chill town na iFest yabo. iFest nigga fest party the platforms iFest faltini yabo in every platform. So
Ngulunga Mankai, each and every platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, i-page ka Facebook yona ngu-Empire Music SA.
Ngihoma.
Mna isenguthoba Shane Mkhenkcele kuFacebook naku-South Radio, ndifumana ku-South Radio. Ezi ii-platforms andikafumaneki kuzo but ndiyeza soon. Ndingumrepho ovukayo, ndinguvuka engceni mna ndisanda uyabo but hey yo
Yeah, go sing for Banzani. Guys, in like and subscribe and follow shit us. Follow shit support guys. Thank.